Silicon Valley has seen countless AI tools rise and fall. Most arrive with bold promises, flashy demos, and massive marketing campaigns. And just as quickly, they fade. But every so often, something different happens. Instead of noise, there's silence. Instead of hype, there's adoption. And instead of headlines, there's usage. Right now, that quiet shift has a name: Moltbot. To understand why Moltbot matters, we need to step back. We are living in the AI assistant era. From customer support to coding, research to content creation, AI tools are now embedded in nearly every digital workflow. For beginners, these tools promise accessibility, the ability to do more with less experience. For professionals, they promise speed, scale, and leverage. But there's a problem. Most AI assistants today are reactive, not operational. They answer questions, generate text, and suggest ideas, but they don't truly understand the systems they're working inside. This gap between conversation and execution is where Moltbot enters the picture. At its core, Moltbot is an AI assistant designed to work inside workflows, not alongside them. For beginners, think of Moltbot as an AI that doesn't just explain what to do. It helps you actually do it, step by step, inside the tools you already use. For professionals, Moltbot functions more like a context-aware digital operator, capable of tracking projects, understanding objectives, and assisting across multiple stages of execution. It's not just answering prompts, it's participating in work. Silicon Valley doesn't adopt tools because they're trendy. It adopts them because they reduce friction. Moltbot has been quietly appearing in startup engineering stacks, product development teams, operations and internal tooling environments. The reason is simple. Modern tech work is fragmented. Developers code in one place, plan in another, document somewhere else, and communicate somewhere entirely different. Moltbot's design philosophy is to bridge those gaps, maintaining continuity where humans are constantly context switching. That alone makes it interesting. But it goes deeper. Most AI assistants are built around short-term interactions. You ask, it answers. The session ends. Moltbot is built around persistent context. That means it can remember project goals over time. It understands previous decisions. It adapts its assistance based on evolving workflows. For beginners, this means less repetition and less confusion. For professionals, it means AI that finally feels stateful instead of disposable. Another key difference is integration depth. Moltbot isn't limited to a single interface. It's designed to operate across tools, from documentation systems to task managers to development environments. This is where it stops being a chatbot and starts behaving like infrastructure. The phrase "taking over" makes for a great headline, but the reality is more nuanced and more interesting. Moltbot isn't replacing developers, it isn't replacing existing AI platforms, and it isn't trying to be everything at once. Instead, it's following a pattern Silicon Valley knows well. Solve one painful problem exceptionally well, embed deeply, let adoption spread organically. That kind of growth doesn't explode overnight. It compounds quietly. For newcomers to tech, Moltbot represents a future where learning curves are softened, where AI doesn't just explain concepts, but helps execute them correctly in real environments. For experienced professionals, it signals a shift away from prompt engineering and toward AI-assisted operations, where intelligence is embedded directly into systems, not layered on top. This is a meaningful evolution. Moltbot may not dominate headlines today, but its rise highlights something far more important. The future of AI isn't louder, it's quieter, more embedded, more useful. And if Silicon Valley is any indicator, the most powerful AI tools of the next decade won't be the ones that talk the most. They'll be the ones that work the best.